Generative AI Foundations in Python by Carlos Rodriguez is a comprehensive guide that equips developers, data scientists, and machine learning engineers with the foundational knowledge and practical skills needed to effectively implement and deploy generative AI models, particularly large language models, using Python. The book emphasizes a balanced approach between theoretical understanding and hands-on application. Key concepts and techniques. Foundations of Generative AI. The book begins with an introduction to generative AI, covering its historical evolution and its foundations in natural language processing. It discusses the importance of understanding key architectures like generative adversarial networks, transformers, and diffusion models, which are central to modern generative AI. Large language models. It provides in-depth coverage of large language models, exploring their architecture, capabilities, and how they can be applied to real-world tasks. The book guides readers through the process of fine-tuning large language models for specific natural language processing tasks, helping them adapt these models to various domains like finance. Prompt engineering is a significant focus, and it's a crucial skill for working with large language models. The book covers techniques such as in-context learning, templatization, and rationalization through methods like chain of thought. The book covers techniques such as retrieval-augmented generation, also known as RAG. Understanding the ethical implications of generative AI is another key theme. The book addresses the challenges of minimizing bias, toxicity, and other harmful outputs, emphasizing the importance of building trust in AI systems. Through guided tutorials, the book walks readers through the deployment and fine-tuning of pre-trained models, enabling them to transition from prototype to production. It also discusses strategies for optimizing model performance, ensuring that AI applications are both effective and responsible. By the end of this book, readers will have gained a robust understanding of generative AI's potential and how to apply it ethically and effectively in various real-world scenarios. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.